we're in the business of helping engineering teams find bugs in their code without relying on them writing tests. And we do this by automatically learning different test scenarios by observing the production environments. This gives us the ability to predict how the customer's code is going to behave in production without actually being in production. And so that kind of foresight that our customers gain because of our product is something that they find extremely valuable. As an engineer, one of the most pressing pain points that you constantly feel is that you have to write a lot of tests to get good coverage. And this is sometimes 2.5 times more expensive than writing the code itself that needs to be tested. And what ends up happening is that nobody writes that many tests. As a result, coverage ends up being very, very poor. And so that's where a lot of the pain comes in when things break in production and then businesses suffer losses. And that's sort of the pain point that we solve by automatically creating all of these test scenarios for our customers without them having to make the time and engineering investment to get all this coverage. Our expectation going into the program was fairly low. Like, all we wanted to do was get a few introductions to customers. But since the program has started and since we've had access to some of these mentors, we realized that there's a lot more that we can get than what we had originally imagined. From a practical execution standpoint, NetApp has really stood out in terms of enabling access to customers.